back. Today we're gonna make an unboxing of this particular product where this is available in Amazon. I'm gonna share the link below, and it says it has like 2.4 ampere like speed of transfer and the charging, and it is a micro USB cable where I bought it from Amazon. This is the package where we have. So I have just opened this package, upper package. So let's see with the inner package. And my friend Manjuna is gonna help me with this unboxing. So this is the bubble wrap which we get for this particular product, and now he's gonna open this package. Before that, let's see the package. Like it's a sealed one where you can see all the specification details has been mentioned over here, and you can read the specification. It's in like nylon kind of thing. It has 6 feet long, up to 2.4 ampere the current capacity it can hold, where it will be a fast charging facility, and it has a 2 meter of length, where it says 6 feet means 2 meter. So let's keep this apart and start doing an unboxing. Okay, so I have removed this upper part, and let's keep it apart. And this is the box, and yes, this is how the cable looks. And let's take this apart. It feels quite good, and it's like tough, where it will help you. Warranty card, and 1 year warranty. It has got a warranty card which comes with an 1 year limited warranty, where you need to register for this, and is given WhatsApp number and the contact number. So it's very good, where you're getting a cable with 1 year warranty, where you can register everything. So let's open this tag and see how length it is. It says of 2 meter. So actually let's see how big it is.
Nylon, pure nylon.
Yeah, this is a pure nylon cable, where you can see the tip over here, and it will not gonna like bend. It's pretty good. So they can connect to any of the charger and charging adapter, and it's a very good one, where the quality, the built-in quality is very good, guys. So you can go with this particular cable. So instead of buying a normal like any other cable, where it gives you a good life, where the brand itself gives you a 1 year warranty, where other brand they give you just 6 months, that too like the limited warranty, and where it's a very good one, guys. So my suggestion is to go with this, and I hope this video was useful to you. And it's a very good nylon tough cable, and please, I hope this video was useful to you, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel and like my channel, and do comment on the comment section below. And thank you guys for watching this video.